Hello everyone, my name is Samron. Today's topic is whether we discourage people from using too much SNS and Facebook. In my opinion, I believe we shouldn't discourage people from using too much SNS and Facebook. I have two reasons for having this opinion. First of all, I believe that SNS is a good way for us to broadcast ourselves.
Okay.
SNS is a good way to communicate with other people. If we have some skills and dreams, we should be recognized by others for our talent and create synergy. And then we can use SNS to broadcast ourselves because it gives us opportunities to meet with various people. Some people say teenagers can improve their own skills because of SNS, and SNS causes teenagers waste their time. But I disagree. Teenager can ask many people for help, and they can get some great tips. I think it is a good way to improve their skills. Secondly, we can tell everyone about our individual lives. People want to show empathy with other people.
Good.
But it is not easy to find someone who shows empathy with me. In SNS, we can find people who are on the same wavelength, and people feel more comfortable and satisfaction than offline. I think it is never a wrong thing to find friends. For this reason, I'm sure that we shouldn't discourage people from using SNS. Thank you.
Thank you very much.